Sally Bartlett, also known as the Dean of Varsity Menopause. Today's quick tip is part 2 of a 4-part series on what I call extreme self-care. I've been maintaining a 35-pound weight loss for over 30 years without dieting, even through hormonal shift. I want to share the 4 things that I gave myself permission to do years ago when I began this journey toward better health. I call them the 4 easy but courageous permissions, because easy is an acronym for something. In part 1, we talked about the E. E is permission to embrace your current life situation, whatever it looks like. Today is about the A in easy. Give yourself permission to abolish dieting. Just give yourself permission to eat, period. Abolish the unhealthy diet mentality, which only leads to feelings of deprivation and the inevitable regaining of any short-term weight loss plus more that may have been accomplished in the first place. Not to mention the destructive emotional shame spiral that the diet/binge eating cycle creates and perpetuates. Now you know why I say it takes courage to give yourself these permissions. But I've done it, and now I'm free to live my big, amazing life. Be sure to go back and watch part 1 about the E in easy if you haven't already seen it. And stay tuned for the 3rd of the 4 easy but courageous permissions. You got this.